So today's our second day in a row at Unleashed for the weekend, and Sumo always tends to find a friend, and he just plays with them the entire time. So this is the one for today. We're meeting up Lauren and her 3 little dogs, so they'll be here in just a minute, but it's pretty busy for a Sunday. A lot of big dogs, a lot of small dogs, but actually a lot more people today than normal. I think they're having a doggy birthday party on the other side. Sumo's pretty submissive. No matter what size of dog, he'll roll over and give them the control. So I'm just glad I don't have to worry about him being too aggressive. That's all for now. We'll videotape later. Bye.